Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for game design, updated. Open a new file and set up frames that match your target screen resolutions like 16:9 or mobile sizes. Then sketch level layouts using simple shapes and blocks. Create reusable components for common assets. And prototype flows to test game interactions quickly so you can iterate on layout, pacing, and user interface without switching tools. Design UI with Figma's components and auto layout to speed up iteration and maintain consistency. Begin by creating a design system with color tokens, typography styles, and component variants. Use constraints and responsive resizing to make HUDs adapt across screen sizes and employ nested components to manage complex objects. Collaborate with teammates using comments and shared libraries to keep art and code aligned and reduce duplication. Prototype interactions early to validate gameplay. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy designing on the go, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading game design notes and art books. I found it handy during brainstorming sessions on trains. It's light, easy to hold, and perfect for sketching ideas away from the desk. If this video helps, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use Figma for creating sprites, tilesets, and UI assets with pixel grids and proper export settings. Organize assets into pages and name layers clearly for engine import workflows. Animate simple transitions with Smart Animate or export frames as sprite sheets using consistent sizing. Test assets in prototype and iterate based on feel and performance, then export as SVGs, PNG, or JSON atlases as required by your engine and pipeline, and optimize regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.